sandwich town in the county down one morning in July. Down a boring green came a sweet colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so neat from her two white feet to the sheen of her brown hair. Such a coaxing elf, I had to shake myself to make sure I was
What happened on here?
And he wasn't on the boat? Yeah, he wasn't on the boat. Well, somehow he got back to the shore and he got back to the shore. Remember that was? And she knew how to drive it.
I lost mine early in the season in the retreat. So she lost hers. I said, well, I'll get it. And I had that berry cloth hat on that I had.
And blue gum.
So while I'm retrieving her hat, I lost mine. They're never... All right, you do it.
You mean he's not going to trust you? I don't do very well.
Film camera.
No, video.
Video.
And it records the sound and the color.
In fact, you can after he's finished taking it, you can rewind it and look at it through the camera lens. Because there's a little mini black and white.
That's really nice. How long you have that?
A couple years. Mainly got it just to record our daughter when she was 2 and starting to talk and stuff like that.
This is frozen over like
Yeah.
the end of December, right?
Yeah, the ferry is out of commission from Madeline Island to Bayfield about 2 months or so in the winter time. Not.
Probably when they do their building. Well, I was just telling Marie that one time they were hauling a house over and it went through. On the ice. Remember that? I do. I remember that. And what did anybody dumb enough?
They tried to retrieve it, but it all fell apart.
But didn't they have to legally take it out anyhow or something because? Right.
No, I haven't. Some people with sailboats do.
But it's
Not
dragon
too practical. I really got trained in meeting
You did something exciting. You tell me. I won't fall off the boat for you.
No, you fall into the sail. There.
That wind is going to really sound on the microphone. were in a race for that other sailboat, Mom.
You're overcorrecting, Glen. Yeah, we have the 60 Kelly too. This is about 2 in it. That's the phrase.
Which stack are you on, Marie?
Starboard.
Atta girl. You right, Doug? Okay. Ring the bell, Marie.
Give me that other head.
Really got class, Marie. I love that hat.
I think Glenn just wanted his head back. Are you paying attention? I hear sails rattling here, Marie.
No.
I had some doggy things.
You'll have to dub in music over the back of it. If I could just turn it over, what can I do? Don't grab me. Can you put this hat around you? Just for such an occasion?
Why don't everybody wear that?
Stop it. Right now.
3 minutes on the side of the boat. And we only had 2 minutes left. Whoa, God. Cheers! I thought you were dripping your camera out or something.
Alright, well we've enjoyed this day sailing on Lake Missouri. It really waved you by. This will be
This
my
is
last
cheers to Glen.
Yeah, to Glenn. Thank you, Glenn.
Glen. I'm ready.
Stand by. Coming about. Heartily.
Oh, you're going to get wiped right off the bow, dear Mike.
Vertical.
It's our canoe. You're not trusting. Tell your Uncle Jerry how many times you've been canoeing. Okay. I've been once. Very much more substantial like that. Mother.
I'd like one.
I like this size.
How long you made?
Right there.
Over there on a few rope.
Yeah.
Wild River. This isn't called Wild River.
Some rapid.
Come on.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
We're headed already for the left. Great.
Everybody hit him so far, don't worry about it. It looks like in the viewfinder that you stopped.
No more. Cut. No.
You're going backwards upstream. Action. Roll him.
Let's see. Doug gets out, gives us a shove, and gets back.
Action.
Come on, Doug.
Action.
Okay. No. Right the bow. Where you can just give us a little shove over and then you hop back in. But don't forget to hop back in, will you, honey? Okay, not too much of a shove now, baby. Good. Get back in. Alright. How's that for the first 10 feet of this trip? Hey.
Do we have some in the car?
I thought about it, but I thought, hey, you're gonna go.
Never thought about it. Savior.
I'll save some of it under the battery.
Yeah,
I
right.
don't have a movie of you yet, Yvonne.
Get on the front too.
Alright. John's still gassing it on the dock, so watch out.
One.
There's one.
That
there.
that one. That one. Two.
That count?
Bill said this one will count as one, so you could see this.
Three.
Probably.
That's three. Four.
Anything under there?
You got five, right?
Steve, where'd you go?
On the other boat in water.
They are just.
You don't have to use them though.
No, I will just.
Down there.
There should be
You
enough.
got 'em.
Is that there?
Say hello, John.
Hello.
That's not working. That's the trouble. We had to fix that.
Hey, kiddo. Hey, here we go. How do you
And
feel?
on we go.
Water. Yeah, they do.
Okay.
Bill, we're sure enjoying visiting your cabin here on Red Cedar Lake in northern Wisconsin. Great place. Do you, by any chance, have any new stories lately?
Well, they don't know why it's calling me Bill because my name was Ole, and they are in northern Norway right there. And that's close to Sweden, and the Swedes are awful dumb, you know. So you really shouldn't get too convinced that my name was Bill. But let me tell you about Ole, who's a brother of mine. All my brothers are named Ole. And you got to make this up as you go along because when you're fudging a little bit, you see, you don't really know what you're talking about. But Ole had us come over to this country, and he was dumber than all of them because he came from Norway, see. And he was concerned after being here about a month that he wasn't going to make as much money as he thought he was going to make because he learned that this was a land opportunity. So he goes to his sponsor. And he says, Mr. Sponsor, he says, I was worried here about how I'm going to make all this money because I was working for a minimum wage. And he says, I thought I was going to be a millionaire. How in the world do you do it? Well, he said, Ole, you really don't need to worry about that. But people that make it big are people that, you know, folks that invent things. You come up with a product or a service, or you come up with something you can build that's nobody else has built. You patent it, you sell it, you make a lot of money, Ole. That's the way they do it. That's really a good idea, he says, but sponsor, he says, that was easy for you to say. He says, give me a little idea here. Well, he said, Ole, it's like the old song, you build a better mousetrap and the world will be the path to your door. 2 weeks later, Ole is at the patent office. That's our appointment. He says, Mr. Patent Officer, he says, I want you to take a look at this here. He says, what do you have there, Ole? Well, he says, this is a mousetrap. This is a better mousetrap, too. He says, just look. Well, it looks like a dollhouse to me. Well, it's a little nice little white house. You just look, here's the front door. You open the front door. You look at that nice white hallway all the way down there. Mouse, look at the front door. Look like your house, right? He says, nice white hallway, all gleaming with paint. He says, you look at the mopboard. Yours about the mopboard, cracking the plaster a hole. Yours big enough for a mouse. Ole really smart. Ole figure out he's got razor blade, yours at the top, and a mopboard, cheese in the back there. Mouse comes tripping down a nice white hallway, stick his head through that, grab for the cheese, cut his head off. Well, Ole, he says, that isn't going to fly. He says, in the first place, you've used lead-based paint. And he said, that isn't going to go in this environmental kind of thing. Secondly, he says, you can't have that loose razor blade in there. He says, these emperor people are going to be after you because that'll fall out, some kid will cut his hand off on it. And lastly, the pure food and drug people aren't going to allow you to have that cheese back there to get rancid. You don't have the shelf life marked. He says, just isn't going to fly. Hey, figure it out, Ole says. A week later, he's back. Mr. Patent Officer, now you take a look at it there, he says. Look, they got the same little old house. It's just the front door really nice. The mouse like that. You open it, look down, the nice gleaming white hallway, all smart with paint. Latex, no lead. We got the same hole there, you know, in the plaster just above the mopboard. No razor blade. Got a hacksaw blade in there. Anchored real good. This has my screws from the backside very secure. He says ain't gonna fall out. And no cheese. He says, mouse come tipping down there. You see the hole in the plaster? He sticks his head through there. The guy interrupts him and he says, with no cheese, how you going to catch the mouse? Well, he sticks his head in there. He says, where's the cheese?
That was the one you told the other night.